When you search for the best windshield car phone holder, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to find what truly works for you, you really need to dig a bit deeper. Product number 1: VANMASS Military Grade Holder. First up is the VANMASS Military Grade Car Phone Holder. Priced at $25.97, this one caught my eye with its impressive specs and bestseller badge. If you want a rock-solid mount that can survive anything, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The upgraded suction cup has a diameter of 2.8 inches and can hold up to 85 pounds. Plus, it's compatible with almost any phone size from 4 to 7 inches, so you won't have to worry about it fitting your device. The 360-degree rotation lets you adjust it to the perfect angle, whether you're navigating or taking calls. And with over 34,700 reviews averaging 4.4 stars, people really love it. Now some users complain that it might not stick well on curved surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you follow the installation instructions and mount it on a flat surface, it works perfectly fine. So it's a minor issue if you have a standard dashboard. This is perfect for you if you want something that's incredibly sturdy and reliable for everyday use. Skip this one if you have very specific needs for a unique car setup. For the price, it really delivers value and peace of mind. Product number 2: Kifatan Dash Mounted Holder. Next up is the Kifatan Dash Mounted Holder, priced at just $9.97. I was impressed by its affordable price tag and still solid reviews. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality, this is a great pick. What sets this mount apart is its double-locked suction cup made from heat-resistant TPU material. Thanks to this, it stays firmly attached even in extreme heat, which is crucial if you're in a warm climate. The arm extends from 3.7 to 5.9 inches, allowing you to customize the angle and distance of your phone, offering maximum viewing flexibility. Plus, it's compatible with all smartphones, which means you won't run into size issues. With roughly 19,000 reviews rated at 4.4 stars, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people pointed out that the installation might be a bit tricky for first-timers. But here's the deal: once you understand how the double lock mechanism works, it's really straightforward and worth the initial effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical solution that still performs well. Skip this one if you want the highest-end features, though it still offers great value for its price. Product number 3: VANMASS Strongest Suction Holder. Coming in third is another option from VANMASS, a model priced at $25.99. With a rating of 4.4 stars from over 61,000 users, this one caught my attention for its heavy-duty construction. If you need something that can handle rough conditions, this is worth considering. The standout feature here is its extreme suction power, rated at over 85 pounds. The adjustable arm ranges from 4.45 to 6.61 inches, making it easy to customize for your needs. Plus, it's designed for both windshield and vent mounting, which offers flexibility in installation. With a military-grade certification, you know it's built to last. Some users mention that it can be a bit bulky, taking up space on the dashboard. But I'll be real with you, the stability it offers is a fair trade-off, especially if you rely heavily on navigation. This is perfect for you if you're hard on your mounts and want something robust. Skip this if you need a more compact option. For the price, it definitely offers a lot of bang for your buck. Product number 4: LISEN Magnetic Phone Holder. Next is the LISEN Magnetic Phone Holder, which is priced at $16.93. I was genuinely surprised by how strong the magnetic hold is. If you want a hassle-free mount that's quick to use, this one might be just what you need. It features a 6-layer suction cup that holds up to 89 pounds, which means it won't slip or slide around. The magnet uses 20 neodymium magnets, offering a powerful grip that keeps your phone stable during bumpy rides. Installation is a breeze, you just flip the lever to lock it in place. Plus, it rotates 360 degrees for easy adjustments. With around 3,600 reviews averaging 4.3 stars, it's clear that users appreciate its performance. Here's the thing though, if you have a MagSafe phone or are willing to use the metal ring, it's a non-issue. This is perfect for you if you prefer magnetic mounts for their convenience. Skip this one if you have a non-MagSafe phone and don't want to deal with the extra ring. It's a solid option for the price. Product number 5, FVSIYOYE Military Grade Holder. Finally, we have the FVSIYOYE Car Phone Holder, priced at an incredibly low $8.99. Honestly, I didn't expect much at this price, but it delivers solid performance. If you want an affordable option that still feels reliable, this one deserves your attention. Its adjustable arm extends from 3.7 to 5.9 inches, allowing you to find the perfect viewing angle. It's compatible with a wide variety of smartphones, including thicker cases. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,900 reviews, it's clearly earned its place on this list. However, some feedback mentioned that it might not hold as tightly on rough roads compared to pricier options. But here's the thing, for everyday driving and normal road conditions, it does a commendable job for the cost. This is perfect for you if you are on a tight budget but still want something reliable. Skip this one if you're looking for premium materials or performance. It's a fantastic value for the price. So to wrap it all up, if you want maximum stability, go for the VANMASS Military Grade Holder. For budget-conscious buyers, the Kifatan is a great option. If you want the strongest suction, the second VANMASS model is a solid pick. The LISEN is perfect for those who love magnetic mounts, and the FVSIYOYE offers great value for those on a budget. No matter your need, there's a great holder on this list for you.